hop. Leaves are rustling, flowers bop. Ready or not, here I come. Hide and seek is so much fun. Froggy leaps behind the tree. Margo giggles, come and see me. Round the pond, splash and play. Hide and seek fills the day. Jump, jump, duck, duck, peek, peek. Little feet run, soft squeak, squeak. Froggy's tongue goes flip, flap, flip. Margo hides behind a ship. Peekaboo, Froggy shouts. Where is Margo all about? She pops from under a giant leaf. Both of them giggle, full of relief. Hop, hop, skip, skip, jump in the grass. Who will be the first to pass? Sunlight glows, shadows sway. Friends are laughing all the way. Froggy climbs up on the log. Margo peeks from under the bog. Found you, shouts Froggy with glee. Now it's my turn, come find me. Hop, hop, spin around. Hide and seek is the best game in town. Little hands clap, little toes tap. Everyone joins the hide and seek lap. Margo smiles, Froggy nods. Hide and seek is full of wows. Sharing giggles, friends unite. Playing together feels so right. Peek, peek, giggle and run. Jump, jump, splash, splash, fun in the sun. Round and round, the game repeats. Little hearts with happy beats. Tiptoe, peekaboo, join Margo and Froggy. Hide and seek with you. Laugh, play and jump along. Silly giggles make hearts strong. Subscribe for more fun games. And don't forget to like and share to play hide and seek everywhere.